to what could be an important scientific development. Is there more evidence of water beyond the solar system?
Well, this could indeed be a breakthrough exactly after a year of discovering Super Earth, a planet codenamed GJ1214b. Scientists now say that it could be covered with either water vapor or thick haze. Now, this is the first time any Super Earth has ever been analyzed. In fact, Super Earth are planets which are larger than the Earth but smaller than planets like Jupiter. This one is 2.5 times the Earth's size and about 40 light years away from the Earth. On the phone line with us is Mr. Narang. He's a scientific officer from space, I'm told. Mr. Narang, thank you very much for speaking with us. What are the chances of this Super Earth supporting life?
Okay, that's a wonderful question. First of all, I'd like to shed a little more light on the concept of Super Earth. We should understand that currently we know about more than 500 planets orbiting the other stars. That means we know 8 in our solar system and then more than 500 in other solar systems. And out of them, we just know of very handful, and I guess there are just 1 or 2, or just this one is the only planet which compares to the size of the Earth. Now, when we say Super Earth, it can be anywhere from one size of the Earth to a little less than the size of Uranus. Now, this one is about 2.6 times the size of the Earth, and the news has come that of finding some steam or water vapors in its atmosphere. Now, what the scientists are saying is that it's yet too preliminary to make any judgment about what the exact composition of the atmosphere might be like, or even the composition of the surface. When we say Super Earth, talking about the size and not even the composition, not even about habitability. So scientists are very, very far away at the moment about making any conclusions about possibility of life. But yes, we are excited because as we are analyzing this planet, we can, even just the presence of water gives us a lot of hope, because we understand that though most of the planets which are found orbiting around other stars are quite big. All these are very, very big, much, much larger than even Jupiter. But that doesn't mean that, there are, planets like Earth are fewer. In fact, scientists are expecting that it's just because the technology is not yet, there where we can discover smaller Earth-like planets. So it's just a lot of hope that, tomorrow we might really find a clone of the Earth, and where tomorrow settlement could happen. So we should just take it, in that excitement and not really postulate about life as of now. But yes, it gives us a lot of hope, because the only planet with this size having steam in its atmosphere, at least traces of these water vapors, would mean a lot of hope, because for not only discovering life elsewhere, but also in terms of our habitability, in future human beings going and settling on different planets.